Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is merits of tabular presentation. Now we have studied earlier the presentation of data, textual and tabular presentation. Also we have studied table, kinds of table, and the classification of data and tabular presentation. We have also studied fourfold classification of data. The tabular presentation is based on fourfold classification of data: quantitative classification, qualitative classification, temporal classification of data, and spatial classification. Now our today's topic is merits of tabular presentation. The principal merits of tabular presentation of data are: number one, simple and brief presentation. You see, tabular presentation is perhaps the most simplest form of data presentation. Tabular presentation is perhaps the most simplest form of data presentation. And data therefore are easily understood. So data are easily understood. Also, a large volume of statistical data is presented in a very brief form. So a large volume of statistical data is presented in a very brief form. So we can say for the first merit of tabular presentation is that it is simple and brief presentation. Now number two is facilitates comparison. You see, the tabulation facilitates comparison of data by presenting the data in different classes. So the tabulation facilitates comparison of data. The tabulation facilitates the comparison of data by presenting the data in different classes. So this is the second merit of tabular presentation. Now the third one is easy analysis. You see, it is very easy to analyze the data from tables. It is by organizing the data in the form of table. That one finds out their central tendency, dispersion, and correlation. So you can say it's very easy to analyze the data from tables. So easy analysis is one of the merit of tabular presentation. Now fourth one is highlights characteristics of data. It highlights characteristics of data. You see, tabulation highlights characteristics of data. Accordingly, it becomes easy to remember the statistical facts. So now the tabulation highlights the characteristics of data. We can say that it becomes easy to remember the statistical facts. So accordingly, it becomes easy to remember the statistical facts. So it highlights the characteristics of data. So it's also one of the important merits of tabular presentation. Now as you studied that tabulation highlights the characteristics of data, and accordingly it becomes easy to remember the statistical facts. Now the fifth one is economical. You see, tabular presentation is very economical mode of data presentation. Tabular presentation is very economical mode of data presentation. It saves time as well as space. It saves time as well as space. Now, so these five are the merits of tabular. These five are the merits of tabular presentation. Thank you very much.